This is Mr. Rooter Plumbing. The date and time are stamped on the screen on the bottom there. We are currently at 51 Verdosa Drive in Pueblo, 81005. We are doing a video inspection of the sewer main. Access is a test tee in the utility closet behind the water softener. We are currently at the end of the line looking into the city main. You can see water's flowing freely from the service line into the city. So we'll go ahead and bring the camera back and see what we find. Overall length from the access point to the city main, it's probably about 135 to 140 feet. So overall length, we got a little ways to go, but we'll bring it back and see what we can find. Okay, it looks like a 45-degree turn heading towards the left, down towards the city main. Not holding any water, water flowing freely. We'll keep going. And it looks like the bottom of the pipe has a little bit of buildup in there. You can see little pieces of particulate flowing down through the bottom of the pipe and the water that's streamed there. But so far, material is PVC plastic. Awesome, good stuff. So far, no issues. We'll keep going. A little bit more buildup in the bottom of the pipe there, but I mean it's all soft stuff that will clear itself out. Most likely, even just running the camera through the line is scraping most of that stuff loose. So no issues. That buildup is going to flush itself out naturally. And again, a good amount of buildup right there, restricting the water flow a little bit. But again, even just running the camera through, it's been loosened up. It's going to flush out on its own. Still no issues. And again, another spot with some pretty decent natural buildup in the line. Again, flush itself loose, knocked it all loose with the camera, so it'll work its way out, no big deal. And those long linear lines in the piping, those are not cracks. PVC does not develop long linear cracks like that down the length of the pipe. Those lines are actually from the pipe being a little bit dirty inside, and then as we push the camera through, the push rod itself flexes and pushes up against the top corners of the pipe and pushes down through the line, creating those little lines. So, not cracks, just the camera equipment itself just marking on the pipe. And then right there is actually where we transition back to cast iron underneath the house. So right here we should be maybe a foot outside the property, a foot outside the foundation. Coming back towards the utility closet, we're going to go through some cast iron, but that's the transition between the two materials. Transition looks good, no root intrusions or anything like that. Pipes are lined up, so we'll keep going. Few turns in the cast iron itself. Again, all the turns look good, no major buildup in the cast iron, and we are almost through. And there's our access point in the corner of the utility closet. Test tee right here. PVC test tee connecting to cast iron piping. So overall condition of the line is good, if not excellent. Found no major issues at all. The worst you can say is that it's got some buildup in there, and like I said, it'll all flush itself out naturally, or at least it all should. No recommendations at this time. Line's in good condition.